During World War II, people planted victory gardens. During 2020, people planted COVID gardens. Not surprisingly, food gardening has become the fastest growing sector in horticulture.
Growing edible plants was a big trend in its own right over the last few years. But when grocery shelves were suddenly empty, we all turned to the idea of producing our own food.
Growing something you can eat is as easy as picking up a pot of herbs or leafy greens at the supermarket.
Balcony gardeners can use trellis, pots, and boxes to grow tomatoes, peppers, and basil. Rooftop gardens can flourish with lettuce.
Creating your own kitchen garden is a satisfying endeavor from planting to harvest. And knowing where your food comes from is important.
It's one of the reasons why I started Cullen's Foods. So don't be intimidated. Visit your local garden center or seed store. Go for it. Grow your own food. There's more to learn and be inspired by at CanadaBlooms.com. Here's hoping we will see you next year at the 26th Annual Flower and Garden Festival.
Until then, we invite all of you to make Canada bloom right in your own garden. Share photos of your garden online with the hashtag CanadaBlooms.
Happy gardening, everyone!